Daniel Christopher Stamper. Mr. Stamper, state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Christopher Stamper.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Janet, appearing on behalf of Mr. Daniel Stamper, who waives the reading of the information and stands mute. He asks for the plea of not guilty. Enter on his behalf. Mr. Stamper has been advised of his rights, Your Honor.
A not guilty plea will be entered on your client's behalf. Formal reading is waived as to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Stamper understands that he should abide by all court orders, keep all future court dates, and have absolutely no contact with the complaining witness or the location of the alleged incident. Mr. Stamper has been on the same job for the last 3 years, Your Honor. He graduated from a local high school, did some college in the community, has 4 minor children in this community, Your Honor. Again, would have absolutely no contact with the complaining witness. I don't believe Mr. Stamper has any pending cases or any prior criminal history. I'm requesting that he be released on personal bond so he can get back to work, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Court heard the representation of counsel as to the community, family, employment ties of one Mr. Stamper. The court would note it does not have a prior capious history. There's no indication he is a flight risk. The court does not have a prior criminal history for Mr. Stamper. There's no indication he's a general danger to the community. However, this court does have some concern with the safety of Danielle Doris Malone. Mr. Stamper, you are to have no contact with Danielle Malone. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
Let me clarify it and be as specific as possible. No contact means exactly that. Nothing face-to-face, nothing verbally, nothing through social media, nothing through a third party. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I always try to take it one step closer to make sure that we're all clear. Sir, even though you're in a public space, a public park or a retail store, and you're thinking you have every right to be at that public space or store, if Danielle Malone is at that same location, you need to be the one to remove yourself from that location. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, while this case is ongoing, Ms. Malone may reach out to you, sir. I don't know if she does, but just in case if she does, you are not to respond in any form of communication. You cannot respond back to Ms. Malone. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you respond back, you may find yourself in violation, sir, and thus a warrant then may be issued for your arrest, and you may find yourself back incarcerated, and nobody wants that. So just stay away from Ms. Malone. While this case is ongoing, sir, you are not to possess, purchase, use any weapons or firearms. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is going to enter a $5,000 10%, $5,000 10%. Given Mr. Stamper's work history as well as general safety for Ms. Malone, making sure that you understand that if you do violate, you may lose the monies that you put up or that somebody else puts up on your behalf, and you may find yourself back incarcerated. The court is hoping that the no contact order and this monetary provision will keep you away from Ms. Malone while this case is ongoing. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next court date is a pretrial date, December 22nd. Pretrial date, December 22nd at 9 a.m. Is there anything further, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. With regard to the no contact condition, which I believe Mr. Stamper fully understands, there is a family court matter, Your Honor, whereby Mr. Stamper, for purposes of facilitating parenting time with the complaining witness, must engage in, he has to go on this texting app to arrange for pickup and drop off of the children they have in common. Your Honor, we would ask that the no contact condition, again, which Mr. Stamper fully understands, allow him to abide by those circuit court parenting time orders.
Given there is a family court matter in this particular case, Mr. Stamper, you need to communicate via text only for the transfer or exchange of the child you have in common. I believe it's only one child or children, but the child you have in common, that is okay, but only that communication and only for that purpose. Do you understand? If it is found out that there's any other form of communication between you and Miss Malone, other than in the transfer or exchange of the child, you may find yourself in violation of the conditions of this bond. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, Your Honor. Now, can we meet at police station to exchange the children to kind of cover me a little bit, sir?
I would state that's how you should do it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything further, counsel?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You all said, sir. Have a good day.
You
Thank
too,
you,
Your Honor.
Bill.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ron.
Drivers. No problem. Thank you. All right, step over here. 500. Sign here.
Okay, so looks like the cutoff is 3 minutes ago, so yay. And I have one more interview to do.
Okay.
So yay again. And
Good
I know
job.
your colleague is working diligently in the back there. We do have one retained counsel for Derek Gilliam. Derek Gilliam, that's Attorney Colasa, so you don't have to worry about that interview.
Okay,
And as soon as you all get done, give me a heads up so I can get DDC on the line, and we'll at least start with the files we have.
Well, no,
sounds perfect. Thank you
Oh,
so
I'm
much,
sorry.
Your Honor. Uh-oh.
Jamie was a little
Yeah.
party
Yeah,
pooper.
party
She just told me I have some more files I gotta do TCH.
Uh-oh.
I thought
Okay.
the one I had up here was it, and I got too excited. I have
Okay.
some from Brewer. Okay.
Well,
Thank
we
you.
stand
We'll be in
ready.
touch.
Thank
I know, I'm
you.
trying to get you out of here early. That's the only reason why, Miss Stevenson.
Thank you. My mama's waiting. Thank
I
you.
know. Gotta do it for mama.
That's
All
right.
right, take care.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
Yep, I'll take it.